I pegang jawatan Presiden Seluruh Sarawak ni banyak tahun, right? Dalam BJMS. And then actually dalam masa tu juga I sakit. Tapi just because I love persatuan ni, sakit tu I tolak tepi. I think everybody knows that 2010 I was detected to have stone at my left kidney at the size of 20 cents. And then I was about to we have to be patient just because we are medical people. Yeah? Mami nak buat operation dekat luar, the cost is about 60,000. I can't afford it because I don't have money. You know? My sister came to support me. I was put standing there. I suffer about 1.5 year, 6 months. I think everybody knows that 2010 I got it. 2011 I also sakit. 2012. Tapi sakit I, kawan-kawan cuma kata kesian saja. That is the only word. Ada yang bawa buah, ada yang bawa bunga. Say the word kesian, but nothing happened. You see? And I follow up dengan Euro assessment sejak hari itu. I pakai stokin ni siang dan malam. See, I jalan dekat hospital, rasa sick leave selalu, orang kata ala sick leave. And change lah. So surprise, I bangun pagi, I boleh berjalan. And then I was diagnosed as osteoporosis, OA, osteoarthritis, banyak sangat. Right? Gout. All this. And plus, they said the last scan they did, that was 3 months back, ada cyst pula. Dah lah ada batu, ada cyst. Mami balik, Mami menangis. I said, it could be the end of me. Tapi again, I tak pernah putus asa. Stokin yang 180 ni menyelamatkan Mami. And then my last scan I had dia tembak laser, 3 kali laser. First laser langsung tak ada kesan, second laser, third laser baru ada kesan, right? And then the last scan I went, that was last month. I tanya doktor, the first thing I tanya doktor bila dapat scan ni, doktor, what is the status of my kidney? Dia kata your kidney back to normal. Ajaib betul kan? And then they said, memang stone tu dah pecah, tinggal stone sikit. What about the cyst that you told me? You see, andaian orang kata I kena, you know lah, bila kita sakit, andaian cancer, andaian you shut down this one, kidney, all this, kidney shut down, all this, renal shut down, right? All this. Tapi Mami masih mampu tersenyum, masih mampu bersama kawan-kawan. Sebab kawan-kawan tak tahu sebenarnya masalah I. Sebab I tak nak. I berusaha. At last this stokin give me the best remedy. You see, give a big clap to this stokin lah untuk Mami. That's what I want to share to break. So